Hello my friends, welcome back to LinkedIn channel. We still explain how to use Telegram app with a very simple way from beginner to professional with a very simple step. In today's tutorial we will explain how to remove member from your Telegram group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Telegram app icon. Press on your Telegram group. Tap on this icon. After that, press here. Click on members. For example, if you want to remove Ahmed from group, just press on three dots which shown on right. Click on remove from group. Now it's already removed. In this video we explain how to remove member from your Telegram group. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.